As I said, continue to my first video. Right now, I'm going to teach you about how harness to be created. Here earlier, what I show is I have taken two connectors, two terminals. That is one this terminal and this terminal, and I have done the routing there. Now I have taken another one connector here, and this is not connector receptacle. This is female part. So this is receptacle, and I will show you how to do routing. Here, these many things are there. I'll going to delete them, and I will create a new harness routing for them. Okay. As I said earlier, I just deleted everything here, and only I just even I will try to delete this one. Okay. I deleted this one also. I just go here, select the network, and I try to create a network between these all receptacles and terminals. Okay. For that, what I will do, I'll this first I need to create a network between two terminals, then I can go for third terminal. This okay, and this is the first one. Edit definition I don't want here. I'll put here. Okay, network has been created. See, a network has been created in this way. Okay, and here I'll after creating network I need to do proper routing. See, for that one, here I'll take one point and make it with attached to this one HRN entity. Okay. Yeah. Earlier I forgot to tell you about what is a HRN entity, how to take that one. Sometimes mm, for in terminals or in connectors or in receptacles or even in relays, you cannot get this HRN entity here. But if it is not available, means you just go here, coordinate system, just select this coordinate system and take uh, like take in this way and just drag it nearest to the end of the point. Keep it in the front and just check uh, as per your requirement. Okay, this is how you need to take, and you can rename this as a HRN entity, HRN underscore NTT. That's it. This is how you can create HRN entity. This is also known as entry port, entry for the connectors. Okay. I'll close this one, and so HRN entity will be like that. Okay, now I created routing between these two terminals. Now again, if I want a new routing here for this connector, let me delete this one, and let me rotate in another way. Okay, for timing I'll make it fix. I'll tell you, I'll teach you what role it is going to play, this position part. This is known as underscore 1 is known as position part, underscore 2 is known as harness part. This is already I told you earlier also, and again I am repeating this. This is position part, this is harness part. This plays a key role uh, in making the harness. Uh, this is a format we actually used to work in our company. So the same format I am going to teach you here. Okay, I will tell you later about this, how this position part is going to help us. Okay, for time being, you just don't concentrate more on that one. And here I created network. So after creating the network, I need a cable here. For that cable, we need to require the cable parameters. I mean, those parameters you will enter in here, spool. You go here, create a spool, and give the details whatever you require. Otherwise, you can directly go here and create a bundle. Okay, create a bundle, give the name of the bundle, I will give it as a B1. Consider it as a B1, and it is round. Already one spool is there. If I want, I can take this one. Otherwise, I will. I can create another spool also here. 122 here, and as I said earlier in earlier video, uh, the required wall thickness you can give here 14 or 15 or 16 or 1 or 2 or anything or depend upon your requirement. This will be twice the wall thickness, that is 16 to the 32. So 32 means okay, I will give it as a 35 or 40, you can give it nearly, which is very good. The more bend radius will help us in giving produces a fine good routing. Okay, even people have doubt, can we edit these things? Yeah, you can edit even for the big wall thickness. You can give different bend radius. Even 5 also it will take, and according to that one it will do routing in software. But in real time, when this wall thickness is there, that bend radius of 5 is highly impossible. It doesn't take. Uh, Maybe depend upon the manufacturer. If it is really needed, the manufacturer has to manufacture according to this specification, that the cable can bend up to a least value of 5 radius. If they can do manufacturing means we can provide, otherwise we should not provide. It's minimum twice the radius. Minimum is twice the radius you have to provide. Okay, after that I provided here. I'll go here, sorry. B-1 round. I already created spool, right? Just now I created spool, so it is coming here. I will take unrooted. Just click OK and click middle click or click here. Just don't write anything and just click it here. Here you can see a bundle has been come here. So just right click, root here. Here you are going to play a key role. From where you need these things, from which terminal to which terminal, from this point to this point, right? Depends. Depends upon the requirement, from which end to which, right? You just go here, allow locations, and just select this one. See, the blue color you are seeing, right? Highlighting this one, allow location, and next click allow location already existed, and next click the next endpoint where you exactly need. If it is not visible here, you just go here, it will get highlighted. Otherwise you can select from this end also, or else you can select, but I don't know why it is not coming. Just go here, it will get highlighted here. Okay, see, I created a network and I have done the routing now. It is via network. This is route type is via network. If you do simple route means it directly take one route like this, which is the shortest distance between these two. Simple route. This is via network. The way I created the network, it will go like that. Okay. Something wrong. Why it is not showing? Mm, Okay. Go here. Route. Low location. Okay. Give it a simple route. Okay. Okay. This is how you will create, and I'll come back to you again within a few minutes. The recording is going to get complete.